so hungry. You're the one who moved in next door yesterday, aren't you? I need to talk to you. Yes. So go get the key that's on the counter in the lobby and bring it here. To get to the lobby, just go straight and turn left at the end of the hall.
I must ask you to refrain from stepping behind the counter. The key to the room next door? The cat that inhabits that room is the last remnant of a family that once caused us a great deal of trouble. A most dangerous cat indeed. He was once a beautiful creature with fine silky fur. Then, one stormy night long ago, someone sewed everything shut. Eyes, mouth, ears. Oh, what a horrible thing! Since then, he's been a nasty beast that attacks anyone who draws near. As the manager of this hotel, I simply cannot allow you to have that key. Well then, I guess it's about time I made the rounds of the hotel. Hello?
I'm so hungry. Is it dinner yet? We meet at last. My name is Neko Zombie. Do you think I'm scary? I don't need your sympathy. The guests in this hotel are planning to keep you trapped here for all eternity. Yes. So they're not going to give up their souls that easily. So, you have to know their weak points if you want to get those souls back. First, you've got to scope out their weak points without them noticing. Now we'll practice peeking. Go out into the hall and look through the keyhole. Are you ready? Then go ahead and try peeking into my room. Did you see me? Now, I'll tell you about my weak point. Yes. My weak point is food. You'll have to figure out on your own what my favorite food is. I'm hungry. A dessert that's sweet and not too cold. Chocolate. That's it. Here, I'll give you this. Is this what you're talking about? I picked this up somewhere a long time ago. Here, you can have it. I don't need it. There are 12 souls in all you must find. Each of the guests in this hotel is carrying one. So, how are you planning to deliver those souls back to death? I see. You're going to meet him in your dreams? In that case, you should sleep on the bed in your room if you want to hand the souls over to death.
Come on now. Give it up. Throw away all them worries. Oh, it's you. Did you manage to pick up any souls? You brought me a lost soul already? Well, that sure was quick. Okay, then. Hand it over like we agreed. Hey, thanks a lot. Here, I'll stamp your card for you. Just keep finding them and bringing them back to me. Whenever you get one, go to sleep and I'll catch up with you in your dreams. Good luck there, buddy!